Hi friends, good morning to all. Today I explain in the new topic in SQL variables. In the SQL variables, is how to declare the variable, how to add the parameter, how to assigning the value. I will explain in the this today section, and also I will do clear definitions and also interview basic levels in the step by step. Also, I will explain in this section in the SQL variables. And also, really, thank you so much for the everyone watch to the my videos in the previous section videos. It will be very more people are watching, and also I'm getting some good subscribers also in the previous related videos. I think really thank you so much for everyone, and also YouTube channel as I recommended to the my video. It will be very really happy, and also it will be added to the some peoples are asking some different. Doubts also in the comment section. I explained in the clearly the doubt sections also. Please watch my videos and subscribe to my channel and like and comment and share that your friends and your have anyone beginners is a completed the BE BTech in the background section peoples. Please share these videos. It will be very useful for these videos. Why I am telling in the useful means I will give clear explanation and also I can provide with the interview basic level of the questionnaires also I can explain and also I will give examples also. I spend around in the around 1 day in the around 2 to 3 hours the time of this related video. So that's why I requested to everyone please support my channel and also please watch my videos. I may not created like entertainment and then issues and then any fake some trinkle different of videos I'm not creating. Why? Because of I have not interested of that videos. Why? Because of I'm sending one content. It will be useful for the some few peoples also. I really happy. So that's why I explained in the my real-time scenarios and also I explained in the basic level scenarios to advanced level to in the complex level. These three stages I explained in the step by step in the explanation process. So I requested to everyone, please watch and then like and share and subscribe the channel and it will be very useful content. Coming to the point, in the first SQL variable, the basics and uses in a SQL server. Maybe I explained in the SQL server means MS SQL server. Okay. In a SQL server, the local variable are used to the store the data during the batch execution period. The local variable can be created in different data types and then can also assign it to the value. Then additionally to variable or assigning to the values can be changed during to the execution process. Change to the execution process. Okay. In the SQL basics using you can explain what is mean by SQL variable. You can explain this definition and also coming to SQL variable declaration. So it is a must important in the interview question. Could you please explain SQL variable declaration? How to declare in the variable? You can how to declare a variable in the execution process. So this type of in the questions asking to the so many interview basic level. So you can explain in the clearly in a SQL server we have to the declare it in the declare statement. You can see in the I added in the below one syntax example. This is the declare statement is used to declare variable in a SQL server. Used to declare SQL server. Then second step, we have to specify the name of in the variable name. Variable name in the sense of this one. This like at the data of local variable data type. This is a variable name. Then the local variable name have a start with a in the local variable start with a at the date assigned to the because of this rule is a syntax this rule as a syntax is a finally we define the different type of in the variable. You can see in the in this like below of the syntax. You can explain in the clearly in a SQL server we have declared the declare statement. We have declared in the variable in the SQL server. Then second we can assign the specific name of the variable, then we can the variable name to the assigning, we have different data type in the variable. So this is the example. Then coming to in the examples, I can write the some different example. You can see, you can understanding the how to write the SQL Server declaration, the SQL Server declaring to the variable. You can see first I can write the declare and then declare specific variable name, and I can add to them of the in the variable name is a ethmos. I am taking a ethmos in the sense of varchar, or you can write the n varchar also, n varchar in the 100. And also I have write the one of the comment is like save of a plant. I can print the ethmos. Print in the sense you can display the value or display the, you can write content. I can execute this query. You can see. So I'm getting a save of a plan. See, and also I can write the one more example of declare the spot price also, and also I can explain in the different declaration process indexes and prints. Okay, I can, you can see, you can practice in the different declarations of the SQL process. And also coming to the second point, assigning a value to the SQL variable. Assigning. Second question, how to assigning a value to the SQL variable. How to assigning a value to SQL variable. You can explain simple steps. Is the SQL Server offers two different methods in a assigning the value into a variable in the, except for the initial value in the assigning. Then the first one, there are the two types of the methods is there. One is the set statement, and one is the set statement, and then second one is a select statement. In the following example, we have declared the variable and then assigning to the value in this help of the set statement and select statement. You can expand only here. This is the fine. How to assigning a value to a SQL Server. A SQL Server offers two different type of methods in assigning the value into variables, and expect for the initial value assigning to the first option is a set statement, second option is a select statement. Coming to in the example, in the first declaration in the set statement, I can write I explained in this declaration process in the real-time project only. This real-time project, I will take one of the project is a Adventure Works in the 2017. I will take this exam, this project. I will explain in the each and every example in this project. And also I can explain in the coming videos in that like of the join subqueries, correlated subqueries, and then derived tables, and then different ranking function, aggregative function, everything I explained in the same in the adventure works related project only. I can explain each and step by step in explanation process. So you can see that in the first example, we can test value in this, or I can assign to the variable declare, and then I can assign to the specific name, and then data type, and then data type I can to the set. I can write the set values in the like in a set test value. I need for the save plans. I need for this print only. I need, so I can write the print. The print in the I can declare into the variable name is a test value. So I can execute this query. I'm getting a one value in the save a plan. So you can see the in this result, it will be declared and it will be defined out to the final result. And coming to next second example in the select statement. Select statement in the I have taken the one of the table is a vendor, purchasing vendor table. I can execute this purchasing vendor table. I have different rows and different columns is there, around 7 to 8 columns is there. 8 columns is there. I need for the only one taking a one column. So I can declare and I can purchase name. So first I can declare on the specific name. That specific name in the data type I can write the nvarchar 50. I'm taking in this select statement. Select statement I can take a select statement in the purchase name equal to in the name. I need further declaring to the any ID. I displayed the name. So coming to the which table, I read that this table, this name column, I need for this ID. this is a print variable. So I can execute this example query. It will you can show the 1492 in this name is Australia retailer. Bike retailer is there, no, right? 1492. I can execute again the table. You can see 1492 in the ID 1492. 14. See, you can see 1492 Australia bike related retailer. So I can give only ID, MTT ID. It will be reflected in the like name. It will be reflected the name. Automatically it will be reflected the name. So that's I declaring to the set statement in the purchasing name. I declare it equal to name. I enter the any ID. It will be reflected automatically name. If you have to the some related in the project, you have some real time project. You are a project manager has a like asking with them of the if you want it you can write the ID you need for the automatically reflected the names and also and different ways in the modified date, modification date, and also account number. You can see you can write the in the same declaration process. You can add the business entity. You can write at the like the business entity ID. Then you need for the account number. You can change the name places. You can add the account number. It will be to automatically reflected to the account number also. I can add the one more examples also. I can explain see that one. So here, here one more example I can write here. So declare the account information. I need for the variable declare. I need for declaring to them of the specific name. In the data type is a nvarchar and the specific account information I need for the account numbers only. So I will give the some entity ID I need for the account number. So which table from places from class I added the table name and where class I can filter to them of the business ID, business entity ID. Then I can print the account information details. So I need for the 1516 account number. I need for the one ID, entity ID 1516. I need for the account number. You can see it. So it will be automatically reflected to the account number. So this concept only I can explain today. How to declare the variable, SQL variable, how to assign it to the value. With example, I can explain today section. Please watch and like, and if you have any comments, please comment the below section. If you have in the good comment, you can add the good comment. If you have any doubt, you can please add that added in the below comment section. And also you can write for the if you have any query, you can please write them write that in the comment section. But I need for support to the you support to the I need for your support in the subscribers. So please thank you so much for everyone. Thank you.